Guys, welcome back to the Lab for My Duck Thumper. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for you. I'm going to be unboxing these headphones. They are company Sold Bass Music HD headphones. Again, right, so top of the box says headphones, just over there, and the colours you can get them in is red, purple, pink, green, blue, black, white, and yellow, and there's a tick below the yellow, so I'm presuming that's the colour which I've got. So let's get opening this box. That's a very cool box, I must say. So that's the stuff. I was right about the yellow. I got the yellow. It didn't come in any packaging. Didn't come in any packaging. They're very comfy, actually. Yeah, they're actually very comfy. So those are the headphones. This is the connector wire. This is 3 feet long. It works really well. Sorry. And yeah, they just work really well. And it's got a little button. It's got a button there. That helps when you want to pause the video or whatever, pause music, and yeah, basically, they are really good headphones. I really like them actually. They are a nice colour. There's a lot of ants around me at the minute. I'm worried. Yeah. Oh, there's a dead bird there. Ew. Very nice. See that later. Yeah, so anyway, they are really good. I noticed the pattern on the part there. It's like an O. These should be called O's. So must yeah. So, oh, sorry, I suffer with a cold. So, that should be enough for this video. That bag keeps. This bag has been attacking me all day. And I don't like this bag. It's annoying. I'm putting it back here. It's annoying. You stay there, bag one. Yeah, so that's it for this video, and hopefully I'll be uploading another video of my duck Thumper, who's upstairs at the minute sleeping. Take it down in a minute, just get some food, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next video with my duck. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a like. See you in the next video. Stay away from me, you stupid bag. Stay away. Stay away.